case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark case for intellectual property law, KSR International Co battled against Teleflex Inc. at the Supreme Court in 2007. At the heart of the argument was one fundamental question: should a patent be awarded for a design that is deemed obvious to those skilled in the trade? The dispute between the two companies centered around a patent for a vehicle control system, known as the Engelgau patent, owned by Teleflex. KSR, compromising in no manner, declared the patent as invalid, arguing that adding an electronic sensor to a control pedal, a design feature claimed by the Engelgau patent, was a logical step for anyone skilled in the field. Previously, the Court of Appeals, following a teaching, suggestion, or motivation test, sided with Teleflex. KSR, not satisfied with this decision, appealed to the Supreme Court. The latter established a more nuanced approach to determine the obviousness that included a detailed analysis of prior designs, differences between them and the disputed claim, and the required expertise in the relevant field. Justice Kennedy, author of the majority opinion of the court, amplified the complexity of the case and highlighted the need for a multifaceted approach to determining obviousness. He disapproved the lower court's ruling, noting that focusing solely on the designer's intent ignored the inherent benefits and practical progress the modified design brought about. The Supreme Court, in its ultimate judgment, ruled in favor of KSR. It decried the addition of an electronic sensor to a sono, a previously designed pedal, as a pedestrian and obvious design change. The court held that the lower court erred in their judgment, adhering to a narrow interpretation that contradicted the broader connotations of intellectual property law, specifically Section 103. This is more than a win for KSR, noted Justice Kennedy in his concluding remarks. It's a call for broader interpretation of our patent laws to promote innovation while protecting legitimate IP rights. With the verdict in their favor, the case was sent back to the appeals court for further review, fulfilling the constant promise of the law, a true balance of protection and progression.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.